Hello guys. So if you need to merge multiple CSV files into one Excel file, so one CSV file per sheet, then this is the tool for you. So let me quickly show you what I have here. So I have these CSV files and I want to um, save it into one Excel file. So back to the tool, let's click on add files here. So let's go to download here. And these are the files I want to merge into one Excel file. So let's click open. Then click on merge to Excel. So you will need to enter the name for the Excel file. Save, merge CSV files, something like that, and click on save, and the application will go ahead and merge the CSV files into one. And you can see that the merge is successfully. Yeah, the files are merged. So let's check the files. So here we have the Excel file. Now let's open it with Excel to check the data. So here you see that one file, one CSV file corresponding to one sheet in this Excel file. So see, let's check the data. Yep. So yeah, so this is quite a simple tool for you to merge multiple CSV file into one Excel file. If you need the tool, the link is in the description. Thank you.